We are not doing police work. We are policing. We render information assistance to the police.
Okay.
Important information concerning crimes and criminals activities in the community.
This project is unique because we don't partner or we don't work with informal groups that carry firearms. Rather, they carry whistle and notepad. When they are out on night patrol, if they witness, if they suspect any crime incidents, what they need to do is just to blow their whistle. When one person blow the whistle, another person blows the whistle, and they alert the police. Police will come and respond. So that is community policing.
So you call the police?
We track, we tackle, we collate community-based intelligence for the police. That's our pure primary responsibility in the community.
According to a survey conducted by Clean Foundation, the informal policing group are well recognized in Nigeria, and the community people trust them more than the police because they are being established by the community and they are accountable to that community. That is why the community prefer their services more than the police.
Why is the police not effective?
We have a very low police to individual ratio in Nigeria, one of the lowest around. Also about their capacity. So even when you have a policeman around, do they have the right equipment? Are the guns the right kind of guns? Are there bullets? Do they have vehicles to move around? And maybe the third part is the motivation of the police itself to really police the state. You have a situation where even there could be a case of a robbery or an attack, and people put a call to the police station and you don't get a response because of the fact that there's no motivation, which will not happen with your privately paid militia because of course you pay them to provide service for you. Now what will shock you is that even some government departments have them as their security. So it's almost become what everybody does. So you have government premises that are protected by those individuals. You have individual homes, you have religious organizations, you have schools and universities. I mean, you have university campuses today, you walk into it, you see this private militia guys providing those services. So it's almost become like the norm.
In Lagos, for example, there are the so-called area boys that is often associated with drugs and criminality and extortion and so on. But also there are more militia-like groups or vigilante groups. And these are also the same people are also often involved in the community policing in the end. So the same type of actors that has contributed to increase the insecurity are now the ones that are providing the security in one sense.